Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs, a linker shop, as well as our freebie for the month of November down below if you're interested in grabbing that. I'm going to go ahead and jump right in to my Christmas bingo. I'm still working pretty hard to get this completed because I need this money to go into my Christmas binder. I have a special envelope called PTO, so I can take some time off during Christmas break while my kids are out of school. I can be off from work and be with them. So hopefully going forward, I can come up with a better plan to save this money because it is a lot of money to try to save at once. So obviously having a plan and putting it into action is going to be very, very necessary for me moving forward. How much are we stuffing? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 bucks is what we are stuffing today. And I hope this is in frame because I can't see what's going on up there. All right, so let's go ahead and grab our Christmas playing card, Christmas bingo playing card. We do have 3 numbers in addition to my IOU here. So let's go ahead and let's pull out our IOU and our playing cards here. And then also I have a little additional savings challenge that I don't know if I'm going to get to it today or if I'm even going to do it, but I thought if I have money left over, I can make each ornament gift $1 and maybe put a little bit more in there, but we'll see how things go. So I only have these 3 left, and so I'll set them there. Here's my IOU of $3, which I will go ahead and set off here now. And I want to color in my 8 because that was the one I was working on. That's why there's a weird dot there, because I had an IOU. So we should have enough money to finish today, I think, but we'll see, because we're not doing anything extra besides $1 for the bingo. So we're not doing double. So it will be, if there's $1, if I get a bingo here, or when I get a bingo here, I'll pay myself another $1, so on and so forth. It's a solid plan, but it makes it so I'm not spending all of my money or trying to save all of my money and then have to come back to the savings challenge again. So it makes sense to me, you guys. Come along with me. Sit down, have a seat. Let's do this. All right, so I only have a few more cards left, and we have N1, $3, right? And then we have G5, $5. My kitty wants to come inside. Nope. Okay, I3, $6. Yay! Okay, so I did complete my bingo card. I'm going to give myself $3 for my bingos that I got today. And I have a couple bucks left. And I wanted to try to do this savings challenge. I wonder, do I have any money in my savings, in my spending envelope? I'm going to have to check my spending envelope, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more dollars. So we'll go ahead and color off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $4. Should I look for the other? Should I look for the $4? I think I'm going to look for the $4, you guys. I'm going to check my wallet, my spending wallet, and see if I have $4 in there. And if I do, we're going to go ahead and finish this. $1, 2, 3, $4. Be right back. Okay, so I did have $5 in my spending, which means that it left me $1. But that's okay. It's okay, right? Because I'm going to complete this savings challenge. That gives me a little bit more to put towards my PTO for Christmas. Yay! So this set is available on our shop, or excuse me, in our shop, and I will link it down below. There's so many ways you can play it to make it affordable for you. And that was one of the reasons I took it on, because trying to save over $100 for any reason is a lot for me. But I know that I have goals, and this was one of the ways I could possibly get it together to make sure I'm saving something to meet those goals. Okay, so we know we've, well, we had 25, so I guess 29 total is what we stuffed. Today we've completed the savings challenge. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me to get from the very beginning, with starting at 0 to now. We have all of this cash that we are putting into our PTO when we do our Christmas binder cash stuffing. So let's see. I think these are all dollar bills. All right. So with the savings challenge, this portion was $116 plus. So I did pull a couple of extra cards. I did pay myself $1, so whatever, for some of the bingos, and then also I've added into this, added in this little savings challenge, which it's all a set, and the cards come with it, and then the dashboard. If you want to make an actual envelope, you're more than welcome to do so. I just liked mine split up like this because these are the, well, they used to have zippers on them, and so they can hold a lot of the money without splitting open. So in total, with this savings challenge, got my calculator. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 10, 15, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, plus 41. I saved $142 doing this Christmas bingo, and you can go wild with this. I did pull some of my extra cards when I played, but I didn't pull out the 10s or the 8 or the 5, you know, or 7, anything like that. I pulled out the small numbers. So if you wanted to save more, you totally could save more. I am thinking of bringing this back out so I can work on it next year as well. I would love to try to do it again this year, but I'm not certain that's actually possible for my budget. But this $142, mind-blowing, is going into my PTO. Like I said, I need to be able to take the time off to be with my kiddos, and so this is part of the way I'm saving to do that. So, yes. That's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Happy saving. Bye, guys.